so this is just my smoked sausage that I cut up into little bits. You can make yours smaller, but I love a big piece of meat in my dinner. All right, let's go ahead and grab a sheet pan, and I already went ahead and greased this sheet pan, and we are gonna put that sausage right on top, just like that. Make sure we get it evenly distributed on our sheet pan. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some cheese and spinach tortellini. I got this colorful tortellini from Sprouts, but you can use any tortellini you like. And this is gonna be so good with that smoked sausage. We're gonna use this whole thing of tortellini. Beautiful. Okay, go ahead and just make sure that's all flattened out on your sheet pan. That's super important for this dish.
This looks delicious. All the different colors and flavors.
Oh yeah, I love this dish. It's so easy. It's just a quick weekday dinner and it's delicious. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some broccoli florets. Is that how you say it?
Yeah, florets.
And we're gonna sprinkle that right in because we gotta get some veggies in here. I know it's spinach tortellini, but I gotta have broccoli. It's my favorite vegetable with dinner. Okay, and I used about half of this 12-ounce container, so we use 6 ounces of broccoli. Doesn't this look so good?
It's definitely looking a little healthy, a little savory, a little cheesy. More cheese, please.
We got our meat, we got our vegetables, we got our delicious carbs with that tortellini. Yum, yum, yum. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some Parmesan cheese.
Listen to me.
Yeah. And we're gonna go ahead and just grate this right on top of our entire sheet pan. This is gonna just add the best cheesy flavor. You can use whatever cheese you like. You can buy the pre-grated Parmesan, but you guys always tell me that grating your own cheese is better, so I'm listening. I always listen to your guys' comments, okay? So we are grating our own cheese. You guys cannot complain about this taking some time because you asked for this, all right?
Try the big side. What about the big side?
Well, I want little Parmesan grates. Okay. You know, I listen.
Oh, shoot.
Oh,
Oh, oh.
Okay.
Are they coming down? Yeah, I see them.
Let me know when there's enough cheese on there. I'm like Olive Garden. You tell me when.
Babe, there's never enough cheese.
All right, I think that's good. Beautiful. All right, now it's time to season this dish up. But first, let's get some olive oil. And we're just gonna do a slight drizzle right on top. Just like this. Ooh, yes, it's gonna be so good.
Looks great.
Get some minced garlic in here. I'm gonna try my best to distribute this. If you guys have any tips on how to distribute your garlic, let me know. I'm just grabbing a little bit and then throwing it onto the sheet pan. I don't know any other way to do this.
The only other way would probably be with your fingers.
Yeah, and that would be gross. Okay, that looks like enough garlic. You can use as much of your liking. Now, like I said, seasoning. We got some crushed red pepper because I like mine spicy. If you don't like spice, you can skip it.
Ooh. The red chili flakes, they really add an additional taste.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't skip them if I were you.
Absolutely not.
Okay, we got some ground pepper. This is looking so good, you guys. I am so excited to eat this. I think this has been my meal prep for the week. I'm gonna cook it up and save it for the whole week. And then I have some sea salt, because I cannot do pepper without salt. Perfect. All right, you guys, that is it. Call me crazy. Okay, so my oven is set to 400, and this is gonna cook for about 25 to 30 minutes, depending on how your oven works. Mine is gonna be super quick, so it'll probably be 25. Ooh yeah, let's do it, baby.
Woohoo, I'm excited.
Okay. Smells incredible, and those broccolis and sausages just roasted beautifully. Oh, doesn't that look good?
Yeah. I'm gonna get it close in right here. Listen to that sizzle.
This is gonna be so good, you guys. Okay, it is time to try some of this because I am hungry. Oh yeah. Need some more broccoli in there. Okay. And then of course we always need some more cheese, so I'm gonna put a little bit more of that Parmesan right on top.
More
Make sure
cheese.
extra cheesy. Okay, you can obviously skip that, but I love cheese. Oh, I am excited. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good, you guys. Ooh, okay, let's grab one of these broccolis. It's giving me trouble. Look, it just falls apart because it's cooked perfectly.
I want some, so hurry up, take a bite. Is it good? I want that sausage.